Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, this is the profit of Krishna conscious person. Krishna is so attractive that if anyone only once has fully applied his mind in thinking of Krishna and surrendering, then he becomes immediately safe from all miserable condition of this material life. So that is our perfection of life. Somehow or other we surrender to the lotus feet of Krishna. So here it is stressed. Sakrit. Sakrit means only once. So if so much profit is there, simply once thinking of Krishna, then we can imagine those who are always engaged in thinking of Krishna by chanting the Hare Krishna mantra, what is their position? They are very safe. So much so that it is said, Nati jamangapasa bhitasya tadvata sapnepi pasyanti. Sapna means dreaming. Dreaming is false. To see the Jamadutas or the carriers of order of Jabaraj, superintendent of death, to see face to face at the time of death when one very sinful man is dying, he sees the Jamaraj or the motor carriers of Jamaraj. They are very fierce looking. Sometimes the man on the deathbed becomes very much fearful, cries, and save me, save me. This also happened to Jamin, and that is the story we shall narrate later on. But he was saved for his past activities in Krishna consciousness. He was saved. That story we shall get later on. So, this is the safest position. Otherwise, this material world is full of danger. It is dangerous place. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Dukkhalayam. It is a place of miseries. You cannot become happy in a place which is meant for miseries. That we have to understand. Krishna says, the Supreme Personality, the dukkhalayam asasam. This material world is a place of miserable condition. And that also asasata, not permanent. You cannot stay. Even if you make a compromise, that never mind, it is place of misery. I shall make adjustment and I shall stay here. People are so much attached in this material world. I have got practical example, experience. And in 1958 or 57, when I first published this book, Easy Journey to Other Planet, So I met one gentleman, he was very enthusiastic. So we can go to other planet. You are giving such information. And yes. And if you go, you will not come back. No, then I want to know. He said, the whole idea is that we shall go another planet, just like they're making the fun, they're going to moon planet, but they could not stay there, they're coming back. That is scientific advance. And if you go there, why don't you stay there? And I read the newspaper that when the Russian aeronautics went, they were looking down, where is Moscow?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama